Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome all the viewers in part 3 of lecture 5, and I hope you have watched all the previous parts of this lecture. In last parts of this lecture, we have studied about a decimal number and a binary number. We have also seen how a decimal number can be converted into a binary number and vice versa. In today's video, we will learn about octal number and will try to convert a decimal number into octal number and vice versa. So let's begin. As we know that decimal number is also called base 10 numbers because it has 10 digits from 0 to 9, and binary number is also called base 2 because it has only 2 digits 0 and 1. Binary number does not know about 1, does not know about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Whereas an octal number is called base 8 number because it has 8 digits, and these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Octal number does not know about what is 8 and what is 9. It only knows from 0 to 7. For example, 124, 257 and 114. You can see that there is no digit of 8 and 9 in these numbers. Octal number can be represented as numbers within the brackets with base 8. In this way you can represent an octal number. Now we will learn how a decimal number can be converted into an octal number. And for that we will take an example of a decimal number and will try to convert it into an octal number. We have a following decimal number which is 258. Because we are going to convert this decimal number into octal number, therefore we will divide this number by 8. So dividing 258 by 8, we get 8 3s are 24, 1 remaining. This will become 18. 8 2s are 16, 2 remaining, so we have written 2 in the right side. We will divide 32 further by 8. We will get 8 4s are 32 and 0 is remaining. We have written this 0 at the right side. Now we can see that we cannot further divide 4 by 8. So this process will be completed here. Now we will write these digits in this direction. 402 and base 8. 258 has been converted to octal number which is 4028. We will take another example. This time we have 436, a decimal number, and we will convert it to octal number. So dividing 436 by 8, we get 8 5s are 40, 3 remaining, and this will become 36. 8 4s are 32, 4 is remaining, so we have written this 4 at the right side. Dividing 54 by 8 further, 8 7s are 56, and we can see that 56 is greater than 54. So choosing 6, 8 6s are 48, 6 remaining, so we have written 6 at the right side. Now this 6 cannot be divided further by 8, so this process is completed here. So we write these digits in this direction, 6 6 4 and base 8. In this way you can convert any decimal number to octal number. Now we will convert this octal number back to decimal number, and for that we will take the same example of 664 so that you can verify these results. The result of this octal number to decimal number should come 436. Now let's see. The first step is to multiply each digit of a decimal number with 8. So 4 multiplied by 8, 6 multiplied by 8 and 6 multiplied by 8. Second step is to put power on 8 starting from 0. So we will put power on 8 from the right side. 8 raised to the power 0, 8 raised to the power 1, 8 raised to the power 2. The third and the final step is to add all these values together. So let's calculate. We have seen that any number whose power is 0 will be equal to 1. So 4 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 8, 6 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8, because 8 square means 8 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. After multiplying 6, 8 and 8, we get 384. 6 multiplied by 8, 48 plus 4. And the final answer is 436, which is a decimal number. We take another example and will convert a decimal number into octal number. Now we have a following octal number which will be converted to decimal number. First step is to multiply each digit with 8. 2 multiplied by 8, 0 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 8. The second step is to put power on 8 starting from 0. 8 raised to the power 0, 8 raised to the power 1, 8 raised to the power 2. The third and the final step is to add all these numbers together. 2 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. After calculating these, we get 256 plus 0 plus 2, and the final answer is 258. And I hope you can convert any decimal number to octal number and any octal number back to decimal number. Thanks for listening. If you have any question regarding this video, you can comment freely. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, you are requested to subscribe it and click on bell icon so that you can get alerts of newly uploaded videos. Thanks.